Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can create private boards in Pencil Spaces. So in Pencil Spaces, you can create as many boards within your space as you'd like. However, you can also change who has access to your board. So if you have multiple people who have access to your space, you can restrict participants from having access to specific boards. So to do this, I'm going to go to the top left-hand side of my screen and select View Boards. For this demonstration, I'm going to be creating a new board. So now to go about restricting access to a specific board, I'm going to hover over the board I would like to restrict access to and select the three dots on the right. From there, I'm going to select Change Board Access. I'm going to go ahead and select Private, which will allow me to change the accessibility of the board. From here, I can give all hosts access to the board, and I can individually go through my participants in this space to select which ones will have access to the board. So I'm going to leave it as all hosts. I'm going to select Confirm. And now only hosts in this space, not participants, will have access to the board. And the private board is indicated by this symbol. If you hover over it, you can see exactly who has access to the board. So looking at the participant's point of view, if I go to my boards, you can see that the participant doesn't have access to my second board. It's important to note that only hosts have the capability of changing who has access to a board. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.